Unlock the streamlined spending power of your DasherDirect virtual card for all your business and personal needs. First things first, you need to activate your virtual card. Open the DasherDirect app, the same one you use for your DoorDash earnings if you haven't already. You'll likely see a prompt to activate your card. Upon opening, follow the on-screen instructions to get it set up. Once activated, accessing your card details is simple. Navigate to the card section within the DasherDirect app. Here, you'll find all the necessary information: your virtual card number, expiration date, and the security code, often called ACVV. These are the details you'll use for online purchases. Want to make payments even easier, especially in store? Link your DasherDirect virtual card to your preferred digital wallet. Most smartphones come with built-in options. Simply open your phone's wallet app, select Add a Card, and enter the details you just found in the DasherDirect app. This allows for tap-to-pay convenience. For online purchases, you'll enter these virtual card details directly into the payment fields on any website or app that accepts MasterCard. It works just like any other credit or debit card. Managing your transactions is also a breeze. The DasherDirect app provides a clear view of your spending history. You can easily track all purchases made with your virtual card, helping you stay on top of your finances and business expenses. Whether you're buying supplies for deliveries, grabbing a quick meal, or handling everyday expenses, your DasherDirect virtual card keeps your earnings accessible and your spending simple. It's a powerful tool designed to support your hustle in the gig economy.